welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. If you are new and you like makeup, beauty, hair or hauls, then please consider subscribing. So today I'm going to be testing out the new Makeup Revolution, X The Simpsons. So this is their Halloween collection, so it's the Treehouse of Horror. And I think this is so cool, it really is. So I purchased the palette and the eyeshadow palette, that is the big one. There were some other eyeshadow palettes as well. I think there were two smaller ones, but I got the big one. And the face palette, and then one of the lip kits. So I'll just go through and quickly show you each thing in detail. So this is the packaging of the palette. Really, really nice. Obviously, you've got the Simpsons here. You've got your Treehouse of Horror down here. Really lovely. And I don't know, I think you can. If you look close up, all over here, you've got all the different characters as well. And then this is the colour story. This is beautiful. Absolutely stunning. You could create loads of looks with this. You really can. You've got a lovely ratio of mattes and shimmers in there. I love the fact that they've done the little embossed heads. Let's have a look. So we've got, I don't know if you can see them very well. Let's hold them up the right way. That would help. So you've got like Maggie there. Yeah, it's the kids. So you've got Lisa and you've got Bart as well. Very, very nice. I'll swatch. I'm not going to swatch all of them, but I'll go through and I'll pick a few out and swatch them for you. Right, okay, so here we go. These actually didn't swatch too bad. A couple of the mattes were slightly chalky. So this one was, and what was the other one? The yellow, I think. But apart from that, they swatch really nice. The shimmers, absolutely stunning. So I have to try and remember what ones these are now. So we've got Trick or Treats, the Grand Pumpkin, Bearded Lady, Halloween, Undead, which is really nice grey, sort of mauve grey actually. What's this one? Hocus Crocus and Super Fun Happy Slide. So as I say, I also picked up the face palette. I think, you know, out of these kind of collaborations that they've been doing with the, not necessarily the other like YouTubers and that, but the like the Disney ones and the Warner Brothers and things like that, I think this is the first face palette that they've done. Sorry, I'm struggling to get into this. Right, so it's very similar to the eyeshadow palette. This looks quite nice actually. The bronzer looks quite dark, but you know, it might not be when it's on. So these are the shades. So I'll hold them up the right way for you again. There we go. So you've got your bronzer here, your blusher and your highlighter. So we've got Evil Twin, Brains and Cursed. So this is what the shades look like. So this one I don't think is going to be too dark. It doesn't look too dark on my hand. This is a very pink blusher. It didn't feel too pigmented when I swatched it, but again, it could be different on the face. And then this is your highlighter. So it's quite icy, but I can see there's a slight pink undertone with it as well. And then I got this lip kit. So this was like the nude shade. There was a more pink, like quite a bright pink, and a red, I think. And this one is Donut Head Homer. There was actually quite a lot in this collection. I'm trying to think off the top of my head. I know there was like a donut shaped sponge. There was brushes, makeup bag. I can't remember. There was obviously different shades, other palettes, like eyeshadow palettes. Possibly lip balms, I think. I think there was an eye primer as well, like a sticky eye primer. But yeah, this is all I bought anyway. So in the lip kit, you get your liquid lipstick and a gloss. So the gloss looks like it's got a very subtle sort of nude, hint of nude going through it. Oh, that smells, do you know what? That smells like a drink. It smells like Baileys. Oh yeah, I'm here for that. No, I'm not going to eat it. Right, okay. Oh, do you know what? That is a nice colour. That's a really nice brownie nude. Oh my days. That smells like coffee. So we've got Baileys and coffee. Yeah. Great. Right, I don't know why I swatched the gloss because you can't see it. It is here. But this is the liquid lipstick. So I've obviously only put a tiny bit on, but it is a really nice colour. Yeah, I'm liking that a lot. Right then, let's try it out. Right, so I'm going to do my eyes first, and I'm going to go into my crease with, I think I'm actually going to go in with the bright pink. So it was this one here, so Trick or Treat. Okay, so that core, look at that. That's proper neon. Right, so then I'm going to kind of blend it out just above that. I think I'm going to go in with that undead, you know, that kind of... No, I'm not. I'm going to go in with this one next to it. So what's that? Colossal Donut. So I'm going to use that one to blend it out. So like that, and then right on this outer part here, I think I'm going to go in with a blue, you know. I'm going to go in with this one here, Bearded Lady. That is quite a nice blue. Do you know what? It's layered over that pink really nice. Here, it's gone a little bit patchy, but I might be able to build that up. That's a bit better. Right. Although, because I had to pack quite a lot on, I've got some fallout. So next to that, I think I'm going to go with the yellow. I'm going to try it. So this one here, it's kind of like it looks a bit limey in the pan, but it does come off yellow when you swatch it. So it's Super Fun Happy Slide. Not really much happening with that, is there? It's quite chalky. Yellows can be quite temperamental, to be fair, but yeah, I think I'll skip that. Let's try the pumpkin shade, so the Grand Pumpkin, so the orange one here. And then on this inner part here, I'm going over the shimmer. And I think I'm going to go with that green one. So Hocus Crocus. So this one here. I feel like this video has been a bit of a whirlwind, you know. I've got backache and I've taken some strong painkillers. So yeah, it might be that. I will not be held responsible for my behaviour. Right, okay, so underneath, I think I'm going to go in with Sorcery, which is that purple shade just there. That's quite nice. And then in a corner, I think I'm going to go for this kind of pinky shimmer here, so Magic Spell. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, that's really nice. Brow bone, I'm going in with that more whitish shade, which was, well, it's kind of a silver actually. Oh, no, I'm not. I'm going to wait, and I think I'm going to use the highlighter out of that face palette. I think that might be a little bit too silver for my brow bone. So, right, I'm just going to go and match this up on the other side, pop some lashes on, and then we'll try out the face palette and the lip kit. Right, okay, so that's that done. So, face palette next. So, as I say, we've got the bronzer, blusher and highlighter. I'm going to go with the bronzer first. I'm just dipping in and going on my usual areas. I actually quite like that. I really like that for a bronzer. It's quite a nice colour on me. I started off really lightly because I wasn't sure how dark it was going to be, but it was okay. So then I kind of tried to build it up as I went along, and I actually quite like how it's turned out. Right, okay, so blush next. Oh, the outer corner of my eyes keep watering today. I had an eye allergy last week. I don't know, I think it was to like an eyelash serum I was using that might have been a bit out of date. So I think it was that. And yeah, this is the first time I've put eye makeup on since, and they're really watering on the outer corners. So so that's annoying, but I'm gonna keep plodding on anyway. Right, so blush. Right, I'm going to take that much and see how we go. Yeah, it's quite pigmented, but it is a little bit chalky. So I'm gonna, this is how I normally put it on anyway. I just kind of place it. And it is a lot more pinky than I'd normally go for, but that's fine because I'm always up for a change. So I'm just going to place it on and then blend. It's kind of disappeared now. Just pop a little bit more on, I think. Yeah, that's better. Right, so the highlighter. So it's this one here. So as I say, it's quite an icy shade with a kind of pinky undertone to it. It's one of them ones where you put it on your brush and you can't tell if it's actually come onto your brush or not. And then when you do it, you're like, oh God. So yeah. Yeah, I definitely picked that up. Nice though, I quite like it. It's different. Just try and blend that in a bit. That's a bit better. Right, so I'm just going to pop a bit of that under my brow bone as well, and then we'll try the lip kit. Right, so I'll go on with the liquid lipstick first, which is this lovely Bailey's one. Oh God, it really smells like Bailey's. I love it. I love that colour. That is so nice. That's a really nice autumn winter colour, like a really autumn winter nude. Oh, that is gorgeous. Yeah. I always go to pick up like a nude with a brown undertone, and then when I get it, it's either like, you know, sort of too pale, like concealer lips almost, or it's more pinky than brown. But this is like exactly what I've been after for quite a while. So I'm going to go over the top with the gloss now. So that's what it's like matte. And then the gloss. Found myself dipping into that quite a lot, but that's fine. It's not really an issue. Yeah. Oh, that is lovely. Love that colour. Really nice. Right, okay, so I'll pop on some setting spray and then I'll be done. So here is the finished look, and yeah, I quite like it. Love the lip colour. Really, really pleased with that. The face palette was okay. The bronzer was really nice. The blusher, as I say, it wasn't as pigmented as I probably would have expected from previous Revolution blushes that I've tried. But saying that, once it's built up, it is quite nice, but it is subtle, but that's fine. And the highlighter is actually a really nice colour. I quite like it. But yeah, the eyeshadow palette was, I'd say, a bit mixed for me. Some shades were a little bit chalky, came off a little bit patchy. This blue one did. I had to kind of really build it up. But yeah, the shimmers in particular were lovely, really nice. So here's a quick close-up of the eyes. Yeah, I kind of tried to use as many colours as possible. I don't know if they really go together, but yeah, I think it's quite cool. Yeah, I like it. So yeah, sorry if it's been a bit chaotic today. I don't know what's wrong with me. As I say, it must be them painkillers I took, lemon things. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up and I'd really appreciate it. It'd mean the absolute world to me if you did enjoy watching this video and you would like to see more content from me in the future and you would like to subscribe to my channel. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye!